Hello children, today I am going to discuss about right circular cylinder. Every day we see around us many objects such as a road roller, a gas cylinder, a circular a storage tank, a circular pillar, a circular pipe, a circular pencil, a measuring jar, etc., which have the same shape known as the shape of a cylinder. Now let us discuss some important terms related to cylinder with figure. This is the figure of a cylinder. This is called axis of cylinder, and this is called radius denoted by R, and this is the height of the cylinder, that is denoted by H, and this is top surface and this is bottom surface. Bottom and top surface are called circular base of the cylinder. Now I am going to discuss about curved surface area, that is also known as lateral surface area of a cylinder. When top and bottom faces of a cylinder are not present, then we find the curved surface area of the cylinder. It means when top and bottom both faces are open, then we find curved surface area. Curved surface area of the cylinder equal to 2 pi RH. This is the formula of curved surface area of cylinder. It is also written as circumference of the base of circle is a 2 pi r. So this is base, and area of this base is circumference of this base is 2 pi r. So this formula also written as circumference of the base into height. Now we will clear this topic with some examples. Example 1. Radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is 7 meter and height is 10 meter. Find the curved surface area of the cylinder. Solution. Here R is equal to 7 meter and H is equal to 10 meter. So curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h, equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 10. 7 to 7 cancel. Equal to 44 into 10 equal to 440 meter square. Now example 2. In a building 15 cylindrical pillars are to be painted. The radius and height of each pillars is 24 meter and 7 meter respectively. Find the cost of the painting if the rate is rupees 3 per square meter. Solution: children, here we will find curved surface area of the pillar, because the top and bottom faces of the pillar is hidden and both faces cannot be painted. So here we find the curved surface area of pillar. Here R is equal to 24 meter and H is equal to 7 meter. So curved surface area of pillar equal to 2 pi RH, equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 24 into 7, 7 to 7 cancel, equal to 1056 meter square. Therefore curved surface area of 15 pillars equal to 1056 into 15 equal to 15,840 meter square. So total cost of painting of 15 pillars equal to 15,840 into 3 equal to rupees 47,520. This is our answer. Now I am going to discuss about total surface area of a cylinder. Children, when top and bottom faces of cylinder are present, then we find total surface area of the cylinder. So the formula of total surface area of the cylinder is total surface area of a cylinder equal to area of the curved surface plus 2 into area of base. So equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square equal to 2 pi R is common, and so this becomes h plus r, 2 pi r into h plus r. So 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the formula of total surface area of cylinder. Now we will clear this with example 1. Radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is 7 meter and height is 12 meter. Find the total surface area of the cylinder. Solution: here r is equal to 7 meter, h is equal to 12 meter. So total surface area of the cylinder equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 plus 12. 7 to 7 cancel, equal to 44 into 19 equal to 836 meter square. This is our answer. Example 2. A closed metallic cylinder has its base diameter is 28 centimeter and it is 2.25 meter high. Find the cost of the metal used to make it. If it costs rupees 75 per square meter. Solution: here diameter equal to 28 centimeter. So radius equal to 28 by 2 equal to 14 centimeter equal to 14 by 100 equal to 0.14 meter. Height equal to 2.25 meter. So total surface area of the metallic cylinder equal to 2 pi r into r plus h equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.14 into 0.14 plus 2.25. 7 say 0.14 is cancelled, 0.02 times cancel. So equal to 44 into 0.02 into 8 plus 4 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 1 3 and 2.39 equal to 2.1032 meter square. So the cost of the metal used to make it equal to 2.1032 into rupees 75 equal to rupees 157.74. This is our answer.